Hello everyone, welcome to ProfTech Tips. Today I've got a Bitfenix Apollo case for unboxing. It's really big case. As you can see, we can check the dimension with a 425 to 110 to 450. It's a mini ITX, micro ITX and ITX support. Air cooler height maximum is 16 centimeters. VGA light is max is 345 millimeters or 34.5 centimeters, and cable management is 22 millimeters. So it's got a drive-by 0, don't need it. It's also got a 3.5 drive-by, 2 of them, and 2.5 drive-by 1+1. It's got a front 312 centimeters fan, support 120 to 140 and 360 liquid cooler, 360 with 6 PCI screw as well. On top you can mount the twice 12 centimeters fan, on rear one 12 centimeters or super 120 liquid cooler. It's got a PCI Express slot 7 on the back. IO ports is a 2 USB 1 times and USB 3 times twice, and HDMI, so HD audio 1 times as well. It's ATX standard up to 158 millimeters. Included this fan, there is already included 3 fans, RGB fan and 1 20 millimeters RGB fan as well. Bitfenix Apollo. Have a look how it looks like. Okay, just open the box, take it out. Usually it's going very hard, these boxes. Okay, here we go. This is actually lovely unboxing. Bitfenix Apollo case. There you go. Looks nice, I think. On the first point, we got a glass side back, magnetic mesh on the top. And have a look how it's looking inside. We got a 2 side panels on the lovely quick screw. Here you go. Manuals Apollo is here. We got the old connection here. Is a Molex for fun. This means it's already plugged in. All we need to do is just plug in the cable. We got the RGB connection here, USB 3, and all front panel is just here. And open this side with the tempered glasses. It's not a plastic, it's proper glass. There you go. Nice piece of glass. It's foil on the side. Yeah, just be careful for this. And yeah, we got a, like I see, 3 fans over here and RGB lights is this front one, and that's it. Yeah, PSU can mount inside. Over here there is a mesh cover underneath as well, you can clean it. This is for holding the bracket for your hard drive, but as we doesn't have any hard drive, we don't need it. It means just mount the PSU over here, main board, and that's it. That's this PC build will be quick. What do I think about these cases? It's not bad, only I thinking is bad point is this free fan. It's connected by the Molex, which is not a perfect solution. but is better than nothing. We'll also have a look what's, and we got a buzzer here and some screw when we need it, and like I said, we have a, check this, is audio connection. Not sure what is this one. It's probably left. Change it, which is button over here, because ARGB is just only this side and RGB is fun. That means for the RGB we can just connect the front panel, and that's all. Or it's just only here, and the rest of them is on this Molex, which it probably will be always run on the full speed. We'll see how quiet is it, or if it's too loud, I will be just swap this 12 volt to 5 volt series. We can replug it to different one, but we'll see how actually loud will be. But probably I will be recommend later on change this all of this fan for the different one. But we'll see how loud is it. If it's not loud, that should be fine. Okay, that's it. This is the Apollo Bitfenix case. It's not bad for the price. It's nice and enjoy. Click like, subscribe.